Canadian optometrists are urging parents to make their children's first test an eye exam. New research shows that children's eye health isn't the priority it should be for parents. According to new results from Leger Marketing, most children under the age of 4 have yet to visit an optometrist. And a survey of Canadian optometrists shows only 10% of their patients are aged 12 years or younger. Sarah, age 9, made her way to the optometrist just in time.
When I went to the optometrist the very first time, I was 8 years old, and my eyes felt totally normal. I wasn't really worried because my mom, she had gone lots and nothing was wrong with her. It was just like looking at your eye, and then I thought I would just go home, but it wasn't like that. He looked at my eye, and then they found out I had retinoblastoma.
It's quite difficult for parents to detect vision and eye-related issues because the symptoms can be quite subtle, and it's important to bring the children in for routine eye examinations so that an optometrist can do a comprehensive check of the vision, the eye health, and the eye coordination to ensure that there's no issues that can cause problems for their children later in life.
Like Dr. Chan, a vast majority of Canadian optometrists have found vision problems in children whose parents thought they had perfect vision.
The type of cancer that Sarah has can be found in infants. It's very rare, but at the same time, we never went. We thought she was healthy. We have no history of any eye disease in our family. The doctors that have treated Sarah for her retinoblastoma have told me that if her optometrist hadn't found this irregularity on her eye, I don't know where she would be today. They saved her life. Her optometrist saved her life.
It is incredibly important for parents to bring their children in for routine eye examinations with their optometrist. So much of life is dependent on being able to see properly. In fact, we estimate that 80% of learning is done through vision. The guidelines that are set out by the Canadian Association of Optometrists indicate that infants should be seen by 6 months of age, again at about 3 years, shortly before they start school, and then annually thereafter. So I think that this is something that's quite important for every parent to consider as a regular part of their health care regimen for their children.
October is Eye Health Month, and the Canadian Association of Optometrists is encouraging parents to make routine eye exams a part of their children's routine checkups. For more information on eye health and resources throughout the month of October, visit the Canadian Association of Optometrists website at opto.ca. Sherry Demetarco reporting.